business administration degree from the Harvard College of Business gives you the ability to create your own destiny. With this degree, you can strategically choose the electives that will best suit your interests and career goals, and easily earn a minor that will further excel your knowledge in a particular field. You'll have a level of flexibility in your coursework that is unlike other business majors, with the foundation and skills needed to be successful in any industry.
I didn't know what I wanted to do when I got to college, but I knew that I wanted a business degree that would be valuable no matter where I end up. And this degree gives me just that. I'm able to gain experience every part of the business world, and I'm satisfied knowing I can use my degree for anything when I graduate. Some people get stuck in their major, but I'm completely satisfied and feel more prepared for the future than a lot of other students.
Employers are seeing the value of a business administration degree due to the wide range of skills it provides. Students are given the knowledge needed to be coachable and trainable, allowing employers to focus their training efforts on the specific job they hire for.
I'm interested in the healthcare administration field, so I chose business administration because I knew this major will provide me with the business skills and knowledge that I need to be successful while still allowing me to be teachable in my specific industry.
Our students are not only taught foundational business courses, but go beyond their formal classes to learn hireable skills from how to interview, how to network, how to have a level of professionalism that makes them stand out from among their competitors. Our faculty are more than mere teachers, but often serve as mentors for our students. Not to mention our alumni are dedicated to building strong connections with students, both in and out of the classroom.
The Harvard College of Business has so many great professors and connections. They truly want to see you have a future in your field.
Everyone here is kind and welcoming, and I think it's important to be around the kind of people who make you feel comfortable and truly want to see you succeed.